Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we're going to make a super easy breakfast dish together. This is what I like to call eggs with leeks and spinach because it has eggs, leeks, spinach. I'm going to use some white cheese, actually Turkish white cheese, but you can find it as feta cheese overseas. Some cumin, some oregano, some lemon zest, salt, black pepper, and that's about it. I've heated up 1 tablespoon of olive oil along with 1 tablespoon of butter in my pan here, which is heating up. And first I'm going to saute the leeks. You can always substitute onions with leeks whenever it's in season because they come from onion family. And I don't know about you, but I love having breakfast for dinner once a week. And this is something that I make when I feel like that. It's very filling. And today I'm using spinach, but I also like making this with some Swiss chard. Any type of greens actually will go great. So now I'm going to saute the leeks for about 4 or 5 minutes. I want to see that they've softened up a little bit, and I'm going to continue. So once the leek has softened up a little bit, I'm going to get in the spinach in here. I'm going to add in the spices, so oregano, some cumin. I'm going to add in a little bit of water, which will help soften up the spinach. I'm going to get in some lemon zest. These are small things, but they do make a big difference when cooking. Some salt and some black pepper. Giving everything a good mix. And it's time to get in the eggs in there. I'm using 4 eggs today, but you can add up to 6. This will hold up to 6 eggs. And I'm simply going to crack them. I'm going to distribute the whites a little bit so that they cook up more evenly. And they cover some of the greens as well. That's beautiful. And now I'm going to crumble some feta cheese on top of the eggs so that they soften up a little bit too with the heat. And the only thing left to do is dip some bread into that yolk and we'll be all set. And it's ready. And my favorite way to eat this is with a piece of bread, obviously. I'm just going to get in there. I love leeks. They're really tasty. They're soft but not super soft. You can still feel them a little bit, which to me is great and goes great with white cheese. In Turkish we call it Baby Spinach. Do try it, you won't regret. It would be perfect as a dinner, as breakfast on a weekday, or perfect for Sunday brunch. If you do try it, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I share a lot of easy breezy recipes, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.